Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today we are making cookie biscuit with just 3 ingredients: flour, icing, sugar and butter. For complete description and measurement of the recipe I'm using, please check my YouTube channel. Okay, so just mix everything together, the icing flour and the sugar. Then I would always like to sieve it. So this is just to remove any crumbs or dirt in it, because we want our cookies to be sweet and smooth. So the next one is to add your butter. Now this recipe doesn't call for milk or water, nothing. So this is where the hard work is. You have to press together until everything cooperates. They must bind together. Yes. And today I have a lovely, beautiful little one in the kitchen with me. Sorry you can't see her face because I am not permitted to do that. Okay, so this is London and you just don't show anybody your videos. So she's helping me out in the kitchen. The next thing you do is to roll out. Make sure you roll out properly according to the meter or size that you want. So for this recipe, I don't have my cookie cutter. I left it in school, so I am going to be using my cake cup. So you can always use anything. You can use a knife, you can use your fork, whatever shape that you desire. So here I am teaching the little one how to cut it out. It was a little bit difficult for her at first, but later she became an expert. When you're being taught by a chef, what do you expect? So here we were able to cut out her own shape first, and we did the rest, you know. So she was able to do the rest. She was able to cut it out and do the rest. So basically that's just what we did. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, drop a comment, okay, just tell me what you want me to make in the recipe and I will be delighted to do that. So we baked for 20 to 25 minutes depending on the hotness of your oven. Okay, so we were done, and here the cookies were so done, so crunchy and so sweet. Did you see it? The texture alone will tell you that this cookie was hitting. It was 100 over 100 minus nothing. Did you see it? Homemade cookies. So this is another way I pack my homemade cookies. So if you don't have an airtight container, you can use this process. Just use a plate, put your kitchen towel in it and cover it tightly. So this cookie can last up to 7 days. You can make this for your children. At least you know what exactly your children are eating. Please make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching, and I would love to see you in my next recipe. Let me know where you are watching from so I can drop a hug for you in my next recipe. Bye.